Republican leaders are calling for an investigation into DHHS over the June stabbing deaths of a father and son in Chelsea.
Now, a teenager in foster care with the family is accused of killing them. As CBS 13's Brad Rogers reports, Republican leaders go so far as to partly blame DHHS for the murders.
The warning signs, they were there.
Senate Republican leaders blame inaction on the part of DHHS and Child and Family Services for the deaths of Christopher Honeywell and his son Tyler at their home in Chelsea. They say caseworkers never disclosed the teen's problematic mental health history before the family agreed to foster him. They also say caseworkers refused to put the teen in psychiatric care, saying no beds were available, even after they say he wrote in a notebook how he planned to kill the couple. In a letter urging the Government Oversight Committee to investigate, Republicans say this gross indifference showed a direct disregard for the safety of the family.
I don't blame the caseworkers. I blame upper management for this whole situation we're in.
Senator Timberlake says Bill Diamond, a staunch child advocate who recently passed away, believed nothing has changed at the department, as evident by the growing number of child deaths in DHHS care, 31 last year alone.
Bill believed that the department was failing the children, and they're still failing the children, and yet they're trying to put out a report that everything is rosy over to the department.
That report says fewer children are in state care compared to previous years.
These sort of incidents continue to happen in the state of Maine at a rate that is shocking. We're #1 for child deaths. It's insane that nobody seems to even be acknowledging that Rome is on fire.
Senator Timberlake also says the stabbings occurred after a caseworker told the teen he was going to be moved to another foster home. He says the teen should have been taken immediately.
If you're going to tell somebody you're going to move them, you better take them with you when you go. And they left them behind, and shortly after, these people were murdered.
The Department of Health and Human Services says they're reviewing the letter sent by Republicans, but can't comment on the case.
It's getting worse, and I think the transparency is decreasing over there, which is remarkable that that's even a possibility. But here we are.
Brad Rogers, CBS 13 News.
An entire